Okay, playing two-man scramble. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, again, very grateful for this opportunity and for everyone. Thank you very much. So this is the, I think, 4th episode of the Team Up, Meet Up and Team Up. So for this episode, we have a very special guest. He also watches the channel. He's from Las Vegas. His name is Al Perez. So, ayan, so si Al, yan, nakatalikod lang. So, isang kadi ulit yan, si Wena. Si Weng Der Woman. Hi, Weng!
Morning!
Ayan. May bonus ka ulit kung ma-break 65. Kung 60, mas malaki. Ayan. Yan, si Jong, we're playing with Jong Reyes. Tapos si Al, ayan. Al, thank you very much again for messaging.
Thank you so much.
Ayan, welcome back. Welcome to the channel and welcome to Philippine Navy. Ayan. So, first time ni Al sa Philippine Navy and also first time sa channel. It's going to be challenging for us. Kasi it's been raining the whole morning and also yesterday. Yeah, any shoutouts?
No, well, you know, sa mga kagop ko sa Las Vegas.
Alright, yeah. Good luck to us, brother.
Thank you, man.
Break 65, subukan natin. Okay, let's go. Go. Patong mo lang. Nice shot! Okay, we're on.
Nice shot.
Alright, so nice shot by Al. We're taking his tee shot. This is for birdie to go 1 under. So it's left to right. We're giving it 1 cup. Kanan. Right to left? Oh, right to left. Yeah, hole number 11, we used most of his shots. Ako lang yung nag-par putt. Masabi lang nagamit yung akin. So, it's 11th hole, playing 295 yards. We're just both playing safe kasi nga it's raining. It's hard to even attempt going for it. Four! Okay lang, GUR yan.
Oh, bumalik.
Bumalik? Okay. Members bounce.
Good shot.
Al, we are taking my tee shot. We're left with 135 yards to the flag. It's left to right. Slightly against the wind. Hopefully pitching wedge is enough. Right. Huwag kang bunker. Okay, GUR. Okay, we are taking my second shot. This is a chance to go 1 under na. It's right to left. Grade is also right to left. So I'm giving it a little more than a cup. Uy! Kulang pa! Okay, par. My bad. Sayang! Okay, hole number 12. Sayang, very unfortunate na na-par pa namin. Hindi pa namin nakuha yung birdie na yan. Hole number 12, it's playing 136 yards. Front pin. No wind. Might hit a pitching wedge. Yeah, si Weng Der Woman. Tapos Al, you can't miss left kasi may water hazard sa left. Tapos apparently yung bunker natin ngayon, it's also a water hazard. Oh, pre-drop. Aim for the bunker.
Hole in one muna.
Hole in one. Hole in one.
Ganda ng line. Naku, yun lang. Bye.
Ay. Since may tubig sa bunker, we needed to take a drop. So we're taking Al's tee shot. Mine went left dun sa over the water. So we're left with 18 yards, slightly right to left.
Bye.
This is for our par. We need to make this to avoid going one over. It's 4 paces, left to right. Regular speed lang, not so slow to. Oo nga, labas pa. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, yeah. Alright, hole number 13. That was a very unfortunate bogey. It's playing for 189 yards. Yeah, so we should take advantage of the next par 3s. Par 5s. Habol tayo, partner. Subok. Habol, 1 over. Diyan sa 12. Kick right! We are taking my tee shot. Unfortunately, tumama sa puno. It's 180 before the water. Ganda!
Nice shot.
Okay, nice shot. So, taking my second shot, we're left at 80 yards. So, we're aiming left. Diyan sa puno na yan. 80 yards, so kahit palong 75. Go! Ganda yan. Go! Gulong! Nice shot! Okay yan! Perfect! Nice shot, partner. Galing, galing.
Go, go, go.
Ay, nag-bite! 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 Okay, we are taking my partner's third shot approach. So this is to go even par. Let's go, partner.
This is for birdie, is it?
Yeah, for birdie. Kasi we're currently 1 over. Okay, we're aiming for that maliit na dumi dun sa left. Hindi kita. Okay, for birdie. So it's uphill against the grass.
Alright,
So from 7 paces, tirang 8 na firm.
Next spot, next spot.
Boom! Okay, even par. Okay, good partner. Haminig. Okay, that was a good birdie. Even par. Hole number 14, 510 yards. Oh, kailangan talaga.
Nice shot, Luigi.
Okay, we are just playing safe. Ganda. Okay, parang hindi ko na kailangan tumira eh.
Okay, open na yun doon.
Alright, so we are taking Al's second shot. We're left with 98 yards to the flag. Slightly right to left. Okay, partner. What are you thinking? Going over the tree? With his... Hindi niya kasi dala yung clubs niya talaga. This is just his extra clubs sa sa Philippines. Oh, sige, sa Galilee ka na lang first. Ay, pull na naman. Should be
Right.
fine. Should be on the green.
Oh, no, stop.
Okay. Unfortunately, pulled my third shot. So this is to go up and down for a par. Hopefully a Chipinski for birdie. It's left to right. So Al is putting it na, brother, partner. All right. So it's 11 yards left to right. Uphill, medyo mabagal. Right to left nga. Right to left? Ah!
May kaliwa sa dulo.
Hindi pala. Parang pwede isang cup lang.
There you go. Good putt. So partner, good par.
Ito par.
Good par, good par. Okay, hole number 15. That was a good up and down pa rin. Still even par. Last par 5 here sa back 9. 442 yards. Okay lang yan. Kick right.
Go! Buti hindi tumama sa puno.
Okay ba? Okay ba?
Taking my tee shot, we might be able to go for it. Playing 178 yards to the flag. So si partner muna, Al. What are you thinking, brother? What are you hitting?
I'm gonna use
6 iron.
It gets there.
Ako din, 6 iron din. And a lot of prayers.
A lot of pressure.
Aim a little left, bro. Left, aim left. Kasi it trickles down, it's left to right. Front, there's another bunker sa left.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, left side bunker. So you can just aim middle of the bunker and the pin. Okay lang.
Ay, too much left. Too much left.
Okay lang.
Pero okay lang. That's playable.
Yeah. We are taking my second shot. It's super fast. Left to right.
Left to right, right?
Yeah, left to right. Super fast greens.
Ano kalaki?
Ganda yan. Ay, malakas.
Tama na.
Diba? Lakas din!
Tama na.
We're taking Al's third shot. That was a poor approach. Poor chip. Right to left. 8 paces uphill to go 1 under. Go! Go! Ay, sayang! Ang laki! Ang laki ng binali! Hina pa rin yun! Very unfortunate part. Sorry, unfortunate part. Ay, ay, ay!
Meow, meow, meow.
Okay, hole 16. It's very unfortunate naman yun. Sayang yung birdie chance. So we're still currently even par. It's playing 110 yards. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Go ahead, partner. What are you thinking?
Hitting a
52? 56? 56. Okay. Ganda.
Hole in one. Kick right.
Nice shot! Nice shot, partner. Shot.
Read mo ng konti.
Same spot.
So we are taking Al's tee shot. We are putting for birdie. Come on, this is to go 1 under.
There you go. Good, good man.
Haminig! Okay, 1 under.
Alright.
Okay, buti nakita yung lead. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, finally, we are back to 1 under. Ay, hindi pala back. Di ba naman kami nag-under. So, first time to go under par. Haminig. It's playing 180 yards. Ganda!
Hole in one.
Come on, baby!
Sir, ang ganda dyan.
One time!
Ay!
Right.
Swimming.
What a beautiful tee shot by my partner. Okay, this is to go 2 under na. Okay, natural birdie. Go ahead, partner. O, gusto mo ako muna para you see the line? 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural, for your natural bird. Come on. Ay, kulang. Mahina pa.
Turn.
Oh, kulang din.
Isang gulo na lang, sir.
Good try, good try. Sorry, partner. Still, firm pa man din ang sabi ko. Wing. Sayang, sayang. Okay. That was still a good par, pero kailangan na layo ng habulin na. We need 5 birdies, remaining 10 holes. So hole 18, we're just laying up 130 yards to the water. That's perfect.
Nice shot.
Okay. We are left with 200, mga 240 yards to the flag. Diba, Wing? Oh, 240. Diba? It's a difficult par 4. Layo. Okay, we are taking his... Ganda! Perfect! Go! Go! Ganda yan. Wala lang bounce yun eh. Tama na. Okay, right before. We need to hit this close to go up and down for a par to stay 1 under. 42 yards to the flag. A little left. Aim left. Bite. Tama na. Naku, ang lambot. Okay, that was a very terrible approach on my end. It is. Slightly faster than regular lang. Mabilis. Come on, partner. Malakas. Malakas lang, napitik.
Malipasan ni Weng.
Ito na.
Huwag mo lang ibang ko.
Diretso tayo.
Doon ka na nakaharap eh.
Alright. Sabi ko na eh, this is going to be a challenging break 65 because of the conditions. Hole number 1. We're currently even par. We're not naman playing bad. It's just really difficult yung conditions kasi it's been raining the whole day yesterday and also this morning. Some of our flight mates hindi na sumama because of the conditions or because of the rain. So, enjoy. Enjoy naman daw si Al sa aming challenge. But we will try to still go for it, no? Try to break 65. 6 under dapat kami dito sa second 9. So again, very grateful for this opportunity. I'll take this opportunity to say thank you also for messaging and wanting to meet up and team up. So again, this is an open invitation also for everyone. If you want to try to break 65 as my partner, or we can also team up against 2 people na 2-man scramble also, na 2v2. Or we can also play 3-man scramble and try to break 60. So again, if you're a beginner, if you're a pro, or if you just love golf, please feel free to message me, no? Private message me na lang siguro in Facebook so that we can schedule it. So again, thank you very much. I would really appreciate it if you can like, comment, and subscribe. Actually, if you can subscribe it, I would really appreciate that. That would keep the channel going. So again, thank you very much and see you at the fairways. Nice shot. Come on, partner, let's go for it. We're still left with 240 yards taking my tee shot. Sobrang basang-basa eh, pero no chance of making it on the green. Siguro hit it close na lang. So si Al is, what are you hitting, partner? 3 wood? Yeah, parehas kami mag 3 wood. Try to get it at least closest to the green lang. Draw. Okay lang yan, GOR yan.
Right. Nice shot.
Parang iba rin yung tunog, no? We are enjoying the golf hole. Si Al went right, I went left.
Talo siya, ha?
So, okay lang yan. Patong. Okay, nice out. Nice out, partner. Buti na lang. Nice out, nice out.
Look right.
Ay, too much. Baka better. For our, this is to go up and down for par. Pero good recovery na rin by Al. We're taking his shot. Mine went left. So a little left, up to hill. Up the hill. Come on, partner. Ganda. Maganda. Sayang. Ganda. Ay, kulang naman. Parang dapat dyan ko pinapagsak. I think that's good. Good patch. Naisip-isip. Hole number 2. Still even par. 447. We need to birdie 6 holes dito sa front 9.
Kaliwa.
Nice shot. Okay, so Al will play safe here. Ako I'll try to risk my golf ball. O yun, okay lang. Jabong. Okay, ako naman. Subo ko punch draw doon. Pero feeling ko mahirap tong gusto kong gawin. Patay na patay yung lipad. Okay, we are taking Al's punch second shot. So we're left with 150 yards. I'm hitting a 9 iron. Go.
There we go. That's a good shot.
Go.
Go. Nice shot, then.
Surprisingly short pa rin na kami. So this is to go up and down for bogey. Sana Chipinski para we stay even par. Ganda. Ganda. Sama ng sipa. Okay, at least in for bogey. Sapa ng sipa. Hindi naman bumali. Okay, this is for bogey. We're taking my 4th shot. Oh, mas malapit na to. Konti lang to. Parang isang bola. Di ba ginigib mo na, Wing?
Yes.
Give na. O kasi,
Yan na yung napapatugan.
alam mo mangyayari? Kasi kailangan natin i-birdie na lahat. 7 under. To break 65. Good par. Ay, good par tuloy. Good bogey pa. Nandaya na. Good par. Good putt. Good putt, partner. Okay. Currently 1 over. Number 3. It's playing 180 yards siguro. That was a very unfortunate bogey ulit. The Philippine Navy is showing its teeth, especially during rainy season. Ang hirap. Okay. Go, Al. Hole in 1 na lang, partner. Para at least don't prolong the agony. Anong yardage mo? 180? Mga 180? Yun din tingin ko. Tagahan talaga ng pin lagi. Oh. Kick right, kick left yan. We are taking Al's tee shot. 26 feet to the flag. Left to right away na, no?
26 yards.
26 yards.
In the hole.
Okay, give. Okay, good par. Ay, talagang ginib ko sa sarili. Okay. So, ang gagawin na lang namin ni Al, instead of break 65, break 70 na to go under par na lang ang aim namin. There would be part 2. Yan, tingnan natin. Pero still, subok pa rin na. Susubukan namin pa rin. We'll do our best.
We'll do better.
Yeah. Ay, mahirap talaga yung conditions. Okay, taking my ham and egg. Taking my second shot. This is for our par. Right to left. Ano? Pipasok na raw ni Al. Hindi na raw pagpapat. Nice spot. Ligtas. Bilis. Okay, hole number 4. Good putt. Ham and egg kami. His tee shot, my second shot, his putt. Okay, 324 yards. Dog leg left. Perfect.
Nice shot, sir.
Nice shot. Nice shot, partner. Okay, we are taking my tee shot. We're left with 108 yards to the flag. Malaki yan sa right, Al. Sa puno. Di ba yung red tee? Yung puno sa kaliwanan, di ba? Hindi, 60 lang. Perfect. Big bounce. Big bounce. Yun, trickle down. Baba! Ay, hindi bumaba. First time yun ha. Basa kasi. Ha?
Parang short. Ba?
Okay, putting for birdie. 8 paces. Right to left, uphill. Mabagal to na, di ba? Hey, hole number 5. That was grabe yung green. Tinangay siya. Playing 100. Ano kaya yan? Ha? 115. Go! We are taking my tee shot. Akala ko it's in the middle of the green. Short pa pala. It's 10 paces. Looks like it's double break. Right to left, then left to right. Galing! Nice shot, Jong. Pakimark. Hindi bumali. Tsaka ang hina. Do it!
Oh.
Okay, hole number 6. Playing 343 yards. Dog leg left. Another par. Tanungin natin si Al. Al, what do you think of Philippine Navy? Easy?
No, actually it's short, but it's pretty hard.
Challenging, right? Especially the conditions.
Yeah, it's because it's narrow, it's a lot of trees, a lot of hazards.
Yeah, true.
But
That's why.
it's not that easy.
Yeah, it's not that easy. Welcome to Philippine Navy. How about you, Jong? What do you think of Navy? Kaya hindi ko ma-underpart ng Navy. May conception lang kasi talaga siya na madali kasi maiksi. Pero mahirap talaga, especially the greens when you look at it. Parang you need to read the grain talaga. So, we'll have another part 2 attempt at it.
We need to have part 2.
We will. Okay.
Nice shot, sir.
That's perfect. That's perfect. Hindi naman siguro abot sa bunker. Oh, perfect.
Wala.
Woo!
Perfect.
Four!
What a beautiful tee shot by Al. So, all his friends from Las Vegas. Ang ganda ng ganda ng laro ni Al. Hirap lang ng kondisyon. May sinasabi ka, Weng? Off. Go! Naku, behind. Safe mo lang. Layo. Laki ng dibot. Haba. Okay. We welcome si Al sa Philippine Navy. Okay. That's why in 2 years talaga kahit ako, I trust na lang the caddy. Kaya kunin nyo si Weng, magaling magbasa ng caddy. Ay, magbaling ng caddy.
Hindi minsan. Pwede sa gupit.
Okay, right. Tapos, regular lang to, Weng, di ba?
Medyo patay sa bagong cut.
Sa bagay. Oo nga, no? Okay, right to left. We're giving it, gano'ng kalaki tingin mo, Weng? Sa kanan.
Mabagal. Mabilis.
Isang cup. Mabilis lang sa regular. Do it! Do it! Uy, sayang!
Next spot. Next spot.
Pero mabilis mo kung lalagpas. Lalagpas. Okay, at least that was a good birdie. We are now back to even par. It's very challenging. So the break 65 became break 70. So the play is, it's 327 for hole number 7. It's dogleg right. So si Al will go for it. The play is, if you want to make the hole shorter, you can go over the trees, cut the ball, mga around 260, 250 to be in front of the green. Or just lay up here sa left side and aim for the fairway. There you go!
Yun, shortcut yun. Pag naka ano.
Okay yan, okay yan.
Okay yun.
Okay yan.
Pag hindi, wag lang siya sumabit sa pin.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Another beautiful tee shot by Al. We're left na lang with 72 yards. Aim it left, bro. Aim it left. You see the tree sa left of the pin? That's where you aim kasi it's going to kick right. That's 72 to the flag.
Sige pa.
Perfect. Go.
Sige pa.
Sige pa. Patong mo. Patong. Ay, sobrang kaliwano. Sobra. Pulled it. We are taking Als again. Shoot mo na, Al, para natural birdie ulit. Sana ganun kadali. This is to go 1 under na. Okay. Inviting everyone to try this challenge. Mahirap din siya. Na-realize din ni Al. It's challenging. Pero enjoy. Left right way na, no? Ang hina, Luigi. Wala na tama yung linya mo. Good par. Right, so hole number 8. Playing 154 yards. It feels like it's a bit downwind. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ibibigay ni Weng. Kung 8 or 9 iron. We are still even par. Nakuha ko.
Ay, naku, nakabig na naman.
Ay,
Ay, nako. No choice but to take Al's tee shot. Ang pangit nung akin. We are left with siguro mga 20 yards to the flag. Bite. Ang ganda ng out na yan. Ay, nice out, partner. Okay, we are taking Al's second shot from the bunker. Left to right. Kuha. Ay, biglang bumali sa dulo.
ganda.
Lakas.
Dapat dito lang.
Speed na lang. Speed na kung makakuha ng konti. Bagal ng konti. Pasok mo. What's the right line?
So this is the challenge na lang for the last hole. To finish the round even par, we need to birdie hole number 9. which is a par 5, but you can't go for it. So, subukan natin. What are we made of? Kami ni Al. So, very challenging conditions today. Pero, yeah, it's fun. Hole number 9, 511 yards. Can't go for it. Perfect. Beautiful.
Yeah, there you go.
Bunker din. Short yan.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, we are taking Al's drive. Grabe, lakas ng palo for a rainy and damp condition. Tapos ano, against the wind. Ang layo ng drive niya na to. Okay. We need to birdie. Partner, let's try to go for bird. For even par. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Subok. Turn. Cut. Cut! Okay lang, playable. Okay. Cut.
Mouse right.
Okay, okay. Okay, good angle yun.
Okay.
Okay, taking my tee shot left to right. You see the ano? So may fringe, closest to the fringe, yung may dahon, a little left of that. Tapos land it right, parang before the, a little over the, a little past the fringe lang. Left to right. Left to right siya. Yeah. Left to right. Ganda yan. Maganda yan. Ah, mabilis talaga. Okay lang, okay lang. Birdieable. Nyot! Partner, we need to make this to even par. Sorry. Choker eh. Choker yung partner mo eh. Okay, left to right. Yeah, medyo side hill kasi siya eh. It will trickle down eh. Oh, Chipinski or Patna. Patna lang? No? 8 uphill for birdie. For birdie! Yun, nakuha! Naku!
One over.
Partner, let's do this again. Bawian natin. Bawian natin ang Navy. Sorry, brother. Bawian natin. What can you say about Navy?
It's hard.
Break 65 is also challenging.
Now, next time we'll do a lot better.
Yeah, true.
At least we know, today, we'll be better.
We'll do better next time. Thank you very much again, Al, for meeting up and teeing up. Yeah, thank you very much. Till the next one. Babawi kami. Nice shot.